Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, low miles, and loaded with features. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.